Memo bi akwaba emfa emra GH Live Studio. Jadi more update edi free crop bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp. Ego so edi ebrel enso ewo channel Yusumidin edi Nanaba Kwame Gracious. Here is your number one source of crop bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko update. Na yene how I fa yen semono edi ba bontino. Yenya botre doso nsɛm no mu ne yɛ wuram na yɛde nsɛm no neɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wonya ne wotie na yɛde abrɛw nso ɛwɔ ha se na kora bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛkɔ akɔbɔ Ghana Premier League na ɔmo ɛne Wenchi Young Apostles ana ɛkɔ akɔbɔ. In that game there are a lot of stories ɛpɔmpe ɛba abɔnten yɛde mu nkyerɛmu ɛde brɛw. People were thinking say Justice Blay, Mohamed Kamara, and Michael J. Dramina will be available for the game. But me know what I say, these players won't be available. They will not be available against Young Apostles. Edintia, Yeremun Chemu Edi Ebro, the squad, Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Edi Era game anymore. Yerebro, possible lineup, coach, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, also Ebe UC. Nyankopon eya aduma odachina yede mu nsem nyina enso edi ebrel ewo ahase ha GH Live Studio. Subscribe to the channel. Eno the source of motivation enso edi email. So subscribe to the channel, then you turn on the notification button. Or turn it on and just pick all. Anytime I do video between piano, you'll be the first person to be a notification on your phone, your laptop, your tablet. Then that's why I enjoying the amazing content of GH Live Studio. Young na yemfan komono enfamlo, but yewrem no mamemfa we nhyase. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara is out against Young Apostles. Sanso ana Justice Blay out. Abrantia de din edi Che Dramina enso out. Suspension omon serve enwie ye 4 matches suspension. Coach Dr. Prosper Natogum confirm say they are out of the game. The pre-match interviewer and as a conference course no Coach Ogum confirm say these players are out of the game. Omo entimi ensiakan emfa Makrobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahead of omo any Wenchi Young Apostles game and also Ebaso. Na yewremu Albert Amwa any other players are almost injured no Lord Amwa any Wisdom Basi Fernando Kwesi Asante omunyina also out of the game due to injury almost apeke or Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotokotin intimino kase a big headache at the Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, especially Coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum. And I the update no, and so at the Emma our channels make say channel ye nyabotere edoso nsɛmnimu ye nyabotere de nsɛmno enso ababonten at the amount so hunie eniema enso esi etie ewo ahase. So 3 goalkeeper players are omo enya red card during the game omo any in Swatreman a boy here no. These players will not be part of the squad Coach Prosper Nate Ogum and so Eddie Omo Eko Wenchi na mda kwa kushia Wenchi Young Apostles and so ewa yedimu enjremu edimam 3 players from Young Porcupines will join Club Kumasi Asante Kotoko as usual. 3 players are omo joining here a call summary aboyino. The same players will also join the team, so they are part of the squad. And the omo edi akwakudi wenchia team no also resting yakupon ya duma ochina game no so ebe free ase exactly 3 p.m. and a game no so ebe cosme the squad no edebe the possible lineup nyina it here medini nyina so edi ebro subscribe to the channel. So you subscribe here, click on the notification button, pick all. Anytime I do video between Bian, you'll be the first person on Sabeka the amazing content of GH Live Studio na also wanya bi ahwe enso ho. Once again, my name is Nana Bakwami Gracious, and I'm the stories nina the Joseph Amblo enye fit. So Joseph Amblo too is out of the game. Player needing also at the this guy Okwenva. So Michael Sifa okay, yes, Michael Sifa is part of the squad or more echo. Now Adran Ajete Daniel, yes, Adran Ajete Daniel Ajete, and I'm not person me kaid no. Daniel Ajete, and so intimi emeki the full squad lister coach Eddie Omoko. Na yengurem na memfa squad no emfa momwia na me the possible lineup no so Eddie Etwato Eddie amount ewo your lovely channel, your number one channel, GH Live Studio. Your me who how me describe this channel because the way your fans semono Eddie Bano. Yes, wa wunim hawa semono and so eti honom. Goalkeeper ni din Eddie Frederick Asari Kobe. Goalkeeper Benjamin Chum is part of the squad. So these are the two goalkeepers. Coach Prosper Natulgum, also Eddie Omo era game. So Benjamin Chum is going back to the former team Wenchi Young Apostles. Ana Ofriye ever joined the Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko team. So he is going to play against the former team Wenchi Young Apostles. Uko defenders now. Patrick Asiedu Eka Squada Ogum Edu Omo Ekon Michael Sifa Henry Kwame Ansu Abrantia Nidin Edi Samba Indongani Onel also ewo squada coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum also Edi Omo Eko game no also the Etienne Abrantia Nidin Edi Samuel Tenedu Eka squad no Andrews in team menu Baba Yaya Elvis Chei Bafo, Kwame Poku, Saka Dauda, Emmanuel Entry, Isaac Minta, Samson Eduku, Abrantia Nidin, also Ede Vetos Avoka, Kwesi, also Edin Ewom, Abdul Isaka, Edin Eka Squaless no, Anna Koduya, also Edin Ewoma. Coach Prosper Nate Ogum Eddie Omo Eko. So Coach Ogum go with 18-man squad. 18-man squad. 11 players will start, 7 players will be at the bench of Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. As the Omo Eprano still Obia and retain and say Obia recover fully no. And at the same time, almost suspension no. Obia meka team no ho the same team or they call Samates no the same players that coach Ogum esanso eyusua or they omo Wenchi Young Apostles na game no and so akoso ewo ho no. So mami sanso repeating the squad that coach Ogum ede omo no na memfamo goalkeeper Frederick Asare, Benjamin Chum, Abrantia Nedin ede Patrick Asiedu, Michael Sifa, Henry Kwame Ansu Kobe, Samson Samuel Tenedu, Andrews Ntimenu, Baba Yaya, Elvis J. Bafo, Kwame Poku, Saka Dauda, Emmanuel Entry, Isaac Minta, Samson Eduku, Ansu Kobe, Samson Abrantia, Didin Edi Vetos Avoka, Ansu Kobe, and Isaka Abdul. Also ewoma ono ekobi ana player didin enso edi kodua enso eka ho a ono nso eko game ni bi edi amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So sa ana squadless no enso etie. So players bebre entimi enko is it 11 players omo eye eka the first team of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho ana omo enso entimi enko game ni bi inclusion of Emmanuel Korte, Peter Amidu akwa mu nyinaa is out a ɔmo ntumi nkɔ game no bi nso ɛwɔ hɔ na coach Prosper Nate Ogum the starting 11 nie. Goalkeeper yɛfrɛ no Frederick Asare will be in the post. Number 2 position no ɛbɛyɛ Michael Sifa ɛbɛbɔ 2. Oko 4 and 5 na ɛbɛyɛ Henry Kwame Ansu ɛne aberante a ne din ɛde Samba O'Neil. Ɔmo ana ɛbɛbɔ 4 and 5 no na Patrick Esiedu nso gyina number 3 no ɛde Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nsesaeɛ bɛbam against Samatex deɛ no Baba Yaya ɛbɛstarte aberante a ne din de Samuel Tenedu ɛbɛbɔ na Andrews Ntimenu nso gyina game no mu ɛde Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Okɔ anim hɔ no Elvis Che Bafo bɛstarte san so ɛna aberante a ne din ɛde Kwame Poku ɛbɛgyina anim hɔ no na Saka Dauda nso aka ho na bibia nso ayɛ kama ɛwɔ Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So the starting 11 or the starting lineup ɛde Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana mede ɛto w'anim nso ɛwɔ ha sei no. Aberante a ne din ɛde Frederick Asare will be in the goal post and then he is going to be a captain for the team. Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ɔkyena. Then Michael Sifa to 4 and 5 ɛbɛyɛ aberante a ne din ɛde Samba O'Neil ɛne Henry Kwame Ansu. Patrick Asiedu bɛbɔ number 2, Baba Yaya aberante a ne din ɛde Samuel Tenedu ɛne Andrews Ntimenu ɛbɛgyina mfimfini hɔnom. Saka Dauda, Elvis Che Bafo Awuchi ɛne Kwame Pogu ana ɛbɛgyina anim hɔ ɛde Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na ɔkɔ bench na player ne din de Emmanuel Entry, Samson Eduku, Isaac Minta, Isaka, Sansona Avoka ana aberante ne din ɛde Kudua na akoda ne din de Kudua ana ɔmbɛtena bench ɛde Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. With the inclusion of goalkeeper ne din ɛde Benjamin Chum ana ɔmo ɛbɛwɔ akyire hɔ ɛde Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So these are the 4 squad a Coach Ogum ɛde ɔmo akɔ akɔduru friends Wenchi a Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ɔkyena exactly 3 PM game no nso ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Wenchi Sports Stadium. Kotoko fans nyinaa a mohwɛ monkɔ na monkɔ support team. Subscribe, share, like, comment.